Hey, what's up, everyone? I came to the Walmart real quick, but they don't have much. It's just the same old stuff. It's been the same old stuff lately, but I did see some new things that I want to show you guys. One of them being the 9-pack here with the Matchbox. That's a cool little ice cream truck there. I think that's new. Hopefully they release that in a single pack. And then pretty neat Dodge Ram with all the details on it. Again, that tow truck is the exclusive one. All the other ones are a bit boring. Maybe that one's pretty cool. I seen that one in a single package, but unfortunately I opened it for my nephew and that thing was gone. They do have some of the super fast, which we've seen in previous videos, but the one that caught my eye the most, I think it's this one here, and doesn't seem to be bent. I don't know. This one's the Cement King. So it's part of the working rig one. And there it is, M12. That's how you read them, I guess. Because the older ones would be L and M12. So these are included in the M12. Both of these you should see together, but I've never seen this one up until today. So I don't know, man. Hopefully you guys like it. See something new up here? Nothing really. Yeah, nothing really. I like that van right there with the what you call it, the side panel, the panel paint, and then that little Bronco with the gold wheels. So yeah, that's it. Nothing else to show, man. Everything else is old. Bunch of this Batman stuff, which I don't even collect, but this one seems pretty rare, I guess, if you're into Batman. Too bad it's ripped up. And then a whole bunch of these ones, which I didn't pick up a single one, so I don't know. And then as far as the M2s are ripped up with the Scat Packers Unite, which is one of the newer ones. And also one of the newer ones is the, I think this one here with the Ford Mustang Boss. And finally, you'll see that exclusively at Walmart sticker would be the 68 Camaro one, which that's the Camaro inside. But I haven't found the chase for it, so there's no dump bins either. I already looked. And oh wow, they do seem to have this, the BM. So we'll leave that back over here, I guess. Hey, what's up, everybody?
Yeah, hey, what up, yo?
So we came down to Walmart. Let me just show you guys real quick.
Yeah, a lot of people have been probably asking themselves if we're still hunting.
Yeah, we're still hunting, man. We just, everything's repeated for us, you know, since we stayed on top of it. So these are available.
Yeah.
But we got enough of those, man, you know. What else you wanted to show them, man?
Oh, shit.
See, that guy had this in his hand.
Yeah. There was a guy that came in already.
Yeah,
and then take a look over there, man.
Yeah, we got a little bit beat, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
but
there's two
look at this.
bins in here, man.
Doubles. So, I don't know, look at that white one right there.
Which one?
The Golf.
Oh, yeah.
Chevelle or whatever it is.
Oh, damn, it's in the center.
Well, we got it. I mean,
Yeah, we got.
Not saying that
all of
they
these.
try to show off or anything, but there's no point. See, there's another one.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Don't take that the wrong way. But we got it.
Yeah, we got it.
And then we got this one too. This we got this when we first started hunting.
Yeah.
Remember? I still got it boxed up too.
Yeah,
Heck
that
yeah.
one's nice.
It's pretty cool, man. And I don't see too many of those in stores anymore, man.
Nah,
And even though it's not Hot Wheel, but it's pretty cool. Little Jada action right there. What case is this, man?
It's the
H.
Some are E case.
Well, this is H. Yeah.
Some are H. Some are G.
SRT. Viper. Some of these little monster trucks. But these are the Monster Jam.
Yeah, those are not linked to Hot Wheels anymore. Oh, look at this.
Oh, damn, man. And that little RS. Look at that thing. Yeah, we just got back from the swap meet. We got like 2 or 3 castings. That's it, huh?
Yeah.
We'll probably shoot it at the end of the video. Yeah, little metal base Mercedes C-Class, and I don't know, that was about it, man. Other than that, nothing really. But I want to show you guys something we came across. Oh, look.
Yeah.
If you guys are missing this, I mean, we got 2 of them now, I think. And then I'm pretty sure we picked up our friend David one.
Yeah.
And
that one and the white.
He's yet to make that channel. So you guys keep pushing him in the comments to make that channel. Look at that.
Yeah, that one is sweet, man.
I like that little station wagon.
Yeah.
This is like the Mercedes I got right now at the swap meet, but it's not a wagon.
Yeah.
And it's got the little Hot Wheel imprinted in the rear glass. But anyway, that's what I wanted to show you guys, man. Some of these working rigs, they got the newest set right now. Something I haven't seen yet, so something new right here. A little Scania Tactical Operations Center police truck. It'd be so cool if the back opened, but that little top hatch opens, so that's pretty cool.
Oh, damn, what?
And then a little ladder comes out. There's another one right here, I think. Oh, another one too. Check out that ladder action. What's that about? Is that on the other side?
Yeah, I would have to open this thing.
And then one of these lane closed ahead. You guys seen these on the freeway? Little GMC. There it is, man. Probably have to add a little bit of paint to that GMC logo right there. But other than that, man, this thing is pretty sweet. Highway service. Lane closed ahead. That one's pretty sweet, man.
Yeah, this thing is clean too.
And I made a video about this earlier in the week, but I mean, I like to post my videos when I have complete sets. I can't just tease you guys with one casting, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, here's that police truck. So it's got some kind of ladder action going on, but that seems to be the passenger side. So it's got something to do with the passenger side. It's a little bit different. I don't know if you guys could tell, but I don't know, man. Definitely gonna pick this up. And then in my earlier video, I'll link it with this. I got one of these, but now I got a second one for my little nephew to demolish or play with. And then
Yeah,
definitely one of these, man. Huh?
The ladder action, I don't know what it is.
Yeah, so I don't know. But this one doesn't seem like it does much except for that ladder thing.
Yeah,
So.
this one looks fresh, new too.
The Matchbox?
Yeah, because it's still the Lotus over here.
Oh yeah, if you guys are missing that, man, get on that one right there. And don't miss out on that Mercedes, man. That thing's just hot.
Yeah.
Hot to the touch. Let's see what else we got, man. Just a couple fire trucks.
We got this one already.
Yeah, I think so. But we're keeping it sealed for little nephew for now, man. Cause
Yeah, man, last time, remember he lost one on the live?
and then this, yeah, we're doing a live video and he lost it while we were next to him, man. So a lucky kid found that one. But that's the newest thing for for Matchbox. I personally, when I was little, I used to love cement mixers, man, and tow trucks. I had like, there's something wrong with me. But yeah, so we're taking a second cement truck just for my little nephew to play with. I don't know. It'd be pretty cool to see like his little smile and stuff when he opens this puppy up. Other than that, nothing, man. Just a bunch of old Johnny Lightning, some old trucks. So, I mean, that's what happens when you stay on top of the hunts, huh?
Yeah, man.
You run out of material quick.
Yeah.
And then they even, let's throw in that dumping over here on this side. Let's see here. They got that Camaro thing, but there's not the Chase.
The regular.
Or the Mustang one, but what, you know, it's not the Chase for M2. But they got another bin over here. And then nothing over here. You guys seen past, I mean, we shoot this store a lot and they don't have nothing on here. But they got some old stuff here. And this thing's a H. Same as the other bin. And then, I mean, we could waste time dumping those bins, but
yeah,
I guarantee,
no point.
yeah, it won't be no point, man. So I'm glad we got this, you know.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. This is the little hull right here, and then they got this end cap. Nothing. Bunch of old stuff. That one's pretty neat, but we got it.
Yeah.
So, I mean, hope you guys enjoyed this, man. And stay on top of this one, because I think there's only one per box on this GMC.
What? That thing is clean, though.
And then that front sign, it flips. And then the tailgate opens.
This
Here,
thing
man.
is very detailed, man. Take a look at that arrow.
Yeah, it's like the ones you see in the freeway, man.
Yeah, everything clean, bro.
Yeah, and you know one thing I learned, dude, is these lines, they point to where there's something with these lines where you got to stay away on that side or the left side.
Oh, I see.
I can't describe it, but if you're smart, you guys know what I'm talking about.
Bro, I'm not dummy. I don't understand.
So that's it, man. We're gonna cut it here. We'll probably stop at another one.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah,
And
most definitely.
yeah, so hope you enjoyed, man. Stay tuned. All right, so I got it open. But I know if I pull it out without showing you guys, you know, no one's gonna believe me. I hope I don't get in trouble for this, but hang on. Alright, so I got it. It just seems to be 5 packs. I don't think there's gonna be anything besides this one, and there's a new pack with a truck, but looks like it's more trouble than digging through it. Yeah, I'm not gonna go through it. I'll put it back. Hang on. Actually, I changed my mind. I am gonna go through it. But, I mean, not much to go through. Just this Nissan, the dually, this black truck is part of the Highway Flames, which is probably gonna be you guys' last chance to pick this up, because I've stopped seeing many of them. Well, except for these two. And then besides that, some exotics, couple of City 5 packs, Rocket League, X Racers. That's it, pretty much. I mean, I don't know. It'd be cool to have that display though, but that's it, man.